In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create projects and standardize client workflows in QuickBooks Accountant. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up projects in the Work section so your team can stay organized, hit deadlines, and deliver a consistent experience for every client. First, log in to QuickBooks Accountant on your desktop. Make sure you're in the correct firm file and that you have permission to manage work. This ensures the projects you create will be visible to the right people on your team. From the left navigation, go to the Work section under Your Practice. This is your hub for planning, assigning, and tracking everything your firm needs to deliver. Think of it as a command center where you'll see what's due, who's responsible, and what's already been completed. At the top right of the work page, select Create Project. Start by choosing the client for whom you want to create the project. Picking the correct client is important because all tasks, due dates, and assignments will be tied to their file and visible in your firm's work view. Next, enter a clear project name. A good name quickly tells your team what the work is about, something like Q2 Book Cleanup or Monthly Close March. After naming it, set a due date. This drives urgency and helps your team prioritize. If you work backward from the due date, you can plan tasks and checkpoints more effectively. Assign the project to a team member or role. Assigning by role can be helpful if multiple people rotate responsibilities. QuickBooks will show who's currently mapped to that role. If your processes are already defined, this step ensures accountability from the start. Optionally, add tasks within the project. Break the work into actionable steps, give each task its own deadline, and assign a responsible team member. This adds clarity and prevents bottlenecks because everyone knows exactly what to do and when to do it. Tasks roll up to the main project due date, so you can manage both the big picture and the day-to-day details. When everything looks good, click Save to create the project. Repeat these steps for additional clients or recurring services to standardize workflows across your firm. Consistency is what turns one-off wins into repeatable, reliable delivery. Once your projects are created, monitor progress right from the work page. You can quickly see project status, which tasks are done, and who's assigned, all in one place. Use this view regularly to keep your team aligned and your deadlines on track. That's how you create projects and standardize client workflows in QuickBooks Accountant. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.